Clarios is a leading low-voltage battery manufacturing company in the world. 1 in 3 cars run off of our batteries. Cyber resiliency is actually a board-level topic for us. The reason is, just like any other manufacturing company, we are worried about our operational continuity. Our operations run 24/7, 365 days a year. So resiliency has become a very, very important topic. And ransomware has been spreading across all industries, and I think manufacturing is the most hit because they have figured out that if they can shut down systems, they can hold people ransom and they can go get the money. In a disaster recovery type of situation, you trust the data. There is no malicious action there. Whereas in a cyber recovery, you cannot trust the data. There's a possibility that the data is compromised. So you have to almost rebuild your entire infrastructure environment, Active Directory environment, everything. So you need to have the procedures. It looks a huge task when you have to rebuild everything manually. 99% of the applications rely on Active Directory for authentication. So if Active Directory is not available, the applications are not going to work. You're not going to be able to rebuild an application from an authentication perspective during a recovery phase, during a crisis phase. And we also have the recovery environment, the recovery capability, which helps in Active Directory being recovered very, very quickly. Cohesity is even fundamental to that. So Cohesity helps us from the protecting our backup environment with their capabilities and also being able to recover quicker and faster. Cohesity and Semperis complement each other to ensure that the full picture of the resiliency and recovery is obtained. We use a term at Clarios called a secure playground, right? So AI is still a playground, so we need to make sure that we give folks a secure playground to play with fences around it so they don't have to worry about the kids getting out of the fence. Educate them to make sure that what they can do, cannot do. So we have to depend on the users and the people to make the right decisions on what they should use AI for, what type of data they can interact or share with AI, and how not to put the company at risk. As we compared the offerings and the vendors, we looked at few things that will fit our organization. The team went through a detailed analysis of what that means and how is it actually practically done. And Cohesity was a product that we are comfortable with.